Alright, we are here at the IMO car wash in Forster. We have a IMO car wash tunnel, manufactured by IMO in Germany. 2 self-service bays. We've got a bit of a wait, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, now our turn. Getting the pre-wash right now. It's a nice tunnel. So this tunnel is based off the Western Mat tunnel, but it's no longer made, they no longer use Western Mat, they just have, they make their own tunnels now. It even says that up there. Yeah. Here we got a bubble brush. And of course, the lovely sprays.
Power sprays, what do you call them? Jet sprays?
Yeah, jet spray, jet wash. So, yep, here we go. And, yep, there we go.
Neutral now?
Yep.
So there we go.
No brakes.
No brakes. Awesome. Thanks, mate. Have a good day.
You too.
Alright, this is my 4th IMO car wash tunnel on my channel, which is exciting. So here we go.
Just waiting for the conveyor to pick us up.
Yep, there we go. Starting off with our triple foam polish. We've got the wheel and door cell washer there. Here we go. Tri-foam. Very good coverage.
Yeah.
What's on top? Yeah, we've got the wheel and door cell washers there. Then we've got the top brush. So here we go. Well, that's due to having very thin brushes, if you notice. Yep, here comes our final top brush. He did an amazing job. In England, in other countries, they use a contour. They use the old Western Mat contour dryer. Dryer's about to start. There you go. You can hear them. Yes, have a look at this.
Wow.
Look at all these old motors.
Smells nice.
Those two. Not very loud, isn't it?
The brushes are loud.
There's the motor up there, the fan motors up there. There's another fan motor. Look at these roof jets. With the side dryers. Then we have this mini curtain which will dry off the car. Here we have a cloth drying system, a drying cloth. just wait for the conveyor to fully push the car off. And we are done. So that's the IMO in Forster. See you guys in the next episode. Goodbye.